Today, I want to show you how to play two different minor scales. These are scales that you can use when playing in a minor key. The first one we're going to play is the natural minor scale. For this example, I'm going to use the key of A minor. The notes of this scale are, for 1 octave, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and A. Start on the bottom string, 5th fret or note of A, then B on the 7th fret, C on the 8th fret, D on the 5th string, 5th fret, E on the 7th fret, F on the 8th fret, G on the 4th string, 5th fret, and 7th fret for the octave note of A. Try going up and down this scale using alternate picking. As you become better at this, I would also like you to start counting the notes as you go up the scale from 1 to 8, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Please practice this until you can play it with confidence. Then we can try it across 2 octaves using all 6 strings like so. Play up the first octave as before, then continue as follows. Play the note of B at the 4th fret, 3rd string, then C on the 5th fret, D on the 7th fret, E on the 2nd string, 5th fret, F at the 6th fret, G at the 8th, and A on the top string, 5th fret. Please notice that you are playing only the notes of A, B, C, D, E, F, and G repeatedly. This is the scale we would use to play a melody or improvise with over chords played in the key of A minor, and as I mentioned in an earlier lesson, we can also use the notes of this scale to play in the key of C major, as it is the relative major to A minor. Now let's try the harmonic minor scale. This is only different to the natural minor because we raise the 7th note or G by 1 fret or a semitone to G sharp. Let's try this to see how it sounds. Start on the bottom string, 5th fret or note of A, then we have B on the 7th fret, C on the 8th fret, D on the 5th string, 5th fret, E on the 7th fret, F on the 8th fret. This time we have a G sharp on the 4th string, 6th fret, then finish on the 7th fret for the A. Please practice this up and down using alternate picking. The reason we have different minor scales is that sometimes we may be playing a melody or improvising in a minor key, but the chords played underneath might make us change the scale to accommodate them. For instance, if we are playing over the chords of A minor and E major, the natural minor scale is fine over the A minor chord, but you can see that the E chord contains the note of G sharp on the 3rd string, 1st fret. So we would have to use the A harmonic minor scale for this. More about this in future lessons. Now, let's extend the harmonic minor scale across 2 octaves using all the strings. Play up the first octave as before, then continue as follows. Play the note of B at the 4th fret, 3rd string, then C on the 5th fret, D on the 7th fret, E on the 2nd string, 5th fret, F at the 6th fret, then G sharp on the top string, 4th fret, and finally A at the 5th fret. Try this up and down using alternate picking. Hopefully you will be able to hear the difference between these two scales. I like to think that the harmonic minor has a classical and almost Eastern sound to it. As with other scales, we can move these shapes up or down the neck to play in any key. The key will be taken from whatever note you start with on the bottom string. Start at the 7th fret for B minor, 3rd fret for G minor, 2nd fret for F sharp minor, etc. Please take the time to practice both these scales, as they will be very helpful to your playing in the future. Bye for now.